like Riyadh is here. It just started raining actually. I can't see now.
Salam, bro.
Salam, salam.
Are you?
Alright, alright.
Are we on already?
Yeah.
You know what to do?
So first things first, we're gonna make a turn for Abdul Malik.
Okay, why?
Check out the board that they have for the
Splitter?
the splitter, guys.
Oh yeah, finally.
And
how many
then,
months now already, bro?
yo, I don't know.
Yeah.
We first gonna also check. I do have some material that we can use for mounting. What's up, guys? Sorry, I didn't actually introduce myself.
Welcome to the vlog. Yeah, welcome
Yes.
to the vlog, guys.
I might have some material for the to mount the splitter. We're gonna see. The Malik's gonna make a turn actually afterwards. We're just gonna check out what type of food he has there. We were actually busy, not prepping, but I guess just doing some updates on his new car. We'll check that out now also when we go through.
Legit.
So yeah, you gonna go through?
Yeah.
Okay, check it there.
Moving workshop today. Got everything sorted, so we're gonna be working at Abdul Malik's place now, sorting everything else out. Brought the palm sander just in case.
Yeah.
I don't think we need it, but you never know.
Okay, I bought some fine grid sandpaper.
Sandpaper. Okay, grab that quickly. I'm gonna pull in.
The grass is very long and to cut it. Very, very tight, huh? Oh, hey, Abdul Malik. First time okay. Oh, yeah. Early morning vlog now, right? Let's check out the Ballard. First time view. Hey. Old spec, you know. Keep it in the old spec family. Yeah. 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 So yesterday we fitted we just resealed the beadings, put on the window, what do you call it? The weather strips. We buffed the headlights and the taillights. Looking fresh here. Okay, this one still needs some work. And yeah, car looking fresh. Abdul Malik's new whip here.
Oh, hey, nice one, bro. Shukran, boss. Yo.
I don't know much about motorbikes, but this thing looks really intense.
This is what kind?
I don't part of the plan, but
Nice. Okay, so we are here to check out the wood for the splitter. Now what we need, like a wide piece. Yeah. Yeah, it needs to go from the front to the back of the front bumper.
These are nice. So
I think it's 2 meter by 1 meter.
yeah, at least 1 meter. We have the board sorted here that we're going to be using right now. This is plywood. Plywood. Here we go. So first things first, what we're going to be doing is you see we have a little block there, right? That's basically going to be our guide for where we need to cut and how we need to cut. And then we're just going to tape a pencil to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to tape it, but you can actually just run the pencil
Across, yeah, just so that we can get a nice and accurate guide. And then we're going to be cutting along there. So basically what we're going to be doing is, and then running a marking across and then cutting the splitter out.
So the splitter, for those people who don't know, well, I also don't really know. It's a try and error thing, but anyways, the splitter is going to be to actually protect the lip and the bumper from like scraping and stuff, and also to help the wind that flow underneath the car, and then whatever wind that goes through here to go straight to the radiator rather than the wind just like dispersing everywhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's also basically like a wind tunnel type of thing.
Yeah, that's aero, bro.
Yeah.
Anti-error, there's the word that you're looking for.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Drug
But
the,
this is also going to be a temporary solution. We're gonna eventually go. Is it polyplastic or something?
yeah, we ABS plastic.
ABS plastic. It's thinner and also as strong as this.
Yeah.
But this is just now like to kind of get the mold in the meantime.
Yeah, but look, this is how guys run it in competitive racing as well. They do it with plywood, so it's not a problem.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's just for us. Eventually, we're gonna go that route because it's just the fun isn't there at the moment. So
Yeah.
at least like a DIY.
Yeah.
Even though the next one's also gonna be DIY, but it's gonna be like the
So-
budget. The budget.
So we actually previously checked out a couple of places, guys, where that supplies ABS plastic. If you guys supply, or if you know anyone that supplies, hit us up.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can support, see how the pricing looks, of course.
We actually do have a place that we know, actually close by to we use.
Yeah.
We got some samples, so if we don't come right,
Yeah.
we're gonna go there.
Yeah. But all like us. Alright, let's get to work. Salamat. Got this thing following.
Like guys, we're working on a glide cam for the first time since we got it actually, so maybe the cinematics will even better.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Abdul Malik is the professional here, guys.
So this is woodwork. If you didn't pass woodwork in school, you can't do this.
Gonna go with a jigsaw and then just basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this block as our like a jig type of thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna just run the pencil across so we can get a perfect mark like that line over there. So we can cut it with a consistent measurement from the one side to the other side.
She's a man vocabulary.
Nah, man upgraded. I knew we were coming, bro. Man was reading up there.
You were studying a dictionary now. So I actually saw there's some people that runs it like straight and then they do the curve in front.
The pin from here.
Yeah, but I think we can cut it like this and then we can always mold it afterwards.
What we can do a rough cut and just to get a sort of mold, and then afterwards we can just trim it down to what you want it to look like.
Yeah.
It'll be easier that way. Plus we have like less board to work with, so it'll be easier.
What do you mean?
Yeah, if you cut it.
Oh yeah.
Things that you're going to be needing to make your splitters, obviously your plywood or whichever material you're going to go for, pencil to line everything up, a jigsaw, and of course a Abdul Malik.
Is that right? This is going to make a line to there.
So we have the guideline made. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but it's over there.
You see on the edge, no?
And then right around, just so that it flows very nicely with the lip itself.
We can maybe knife.
I was just gonna, the brackets I used to hang up my bumper, no?
Yeah.
I was gonna use that and then just reinforce it.
Yeah, just some L's. If we have some L's, then we can make a bracket goggle. That's what I always say we're gonna do it. Run a bracket into the toe hook area.
I was actually gonna mount it against here.
Needs to
Not
be.
there. So I was gonna come around here down. Then that way so that we can still use the toe hook if need be. I just think it'll be stronger that way.
Your toe hook is gonna be covered though.
It depends on how the was gonna hang.
No, it's gonna cover your toe hook, bro. Your bumper already sits lower than your toe hook. So your toe hook is pointless at this point.
But I was thinking of making a crash boner and then making like a bracket and then mount like, the one that I was at the back. The toe, then it comes through the bumper in front. Oh.
So far so good, guys. Release it. And the splitter is cut out. So that's phase 1 sorted. So now just to clean up basically all the holes, fill up all the holes, clean up the edges nicely.
filter it out now, just to make sure. Yeah, it's nice.
So we're just doing a mock-up right quick, and it's looking super sweet. Absolutely perfect. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Shoo!
Oh, that's aggressive.
It is. In full black, it's gonna look sick.
Yeah.
So we just still need to now work out the mounting. We're probably going to be using L brackets. Shamil is still a bit hesitant to let go of his toe hooks, because that's where you would normally mount up your splitter.
What I suggested. Yeah. So in here somewhere we have two nuts welded. Basically a threaded shaft welded onto the chassis over here, and maybe you could get a toe hook that comes
for a new
over.
toe hook, yeah.
Yeah, something that will compensate for the one that's lost here under.
Yeah, for both of them actually. But yeah, you can just have one, because you only need one toe hook. So you're gonna have to make that sacrifice, bro.
Yeah, no.
Look, there is a hole in the bumper, so you don't have to.
Yeah,
Make
don't worry
any-
about that. But that's, if you wanna run a splitter, that's the best way to do it, just to ensure that it's solid. Otherwise you're gonna have to run those, and I actually don't like those. You see when they put those lines on? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't like that.
Is that what you want? Okay. And the edges also are the block angle like that.
Yeah, because initially we were going to make it the same size all the way around, but Abdulmalik suggested that we would better was coming just so straight with the shape of the lip.
It does look much better that way, yeah. It would make more sense.
A piece of board on, man.
So you
Yeah.
have black.
Yeah. They take the toe hooks off, right? And they get L-shaped brackets. So instead of for your toe hook, you remove your toe hook and you put the L-shaped bracket, and the other side as well. And then they do L-shaped brackets here in front as well, just with.
Okay.
And I still, obviously we're not going to stand on it like they do, but
And do the standing
you want to do the standing test.
Like, what do you want to say? Was plastic not a cheaper option? I mean, a lighter option?
Yeah, but it's like more expensive.
It wasn't a cheaper option, yeah.
Just fill it up, liquid, and skewer it properly before it. Otherwise, you're gonna get it woody thickness.
Mm.
You know?
I'm gonna body for that.
Yeah.
I have to put it up. This is like the first step.
So there's a piece of the craftsman on Simon's bar.
Yeah. Shout out.
Uncle Kim must put it in Uncle's face.
Against there. You see, because when I put the bumper on the down there,
Mm.
and the quiet thing with this car is under that bar, these holes are there. And with those holes you screw two 10 bolts long ones into the chassis, poof, fast.
Now put the L bracket this way.
That brings us to the end of part 1 of the splitter creation. As you guys can see, Abdul Malik is still busy just primering it right there. And then in part 2 we're gonna start showing you guys what Abdul Malik did with the brackets, and then hopefully we can get it some body filler on there.
Yeah.
Get it smoothed out nicely, and then treat the wood of course, and then get it sprayed.
This is basically an oil-based primer coat, so any water won't penetrate the wood at all.
Yeah.
So it can be safe from weather.
We're now gonna just be closing off with the first part of the splitter vlog, and then in the next one we will show now after the mounting and that. But yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm at the lake, we're gonna come.
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna actually, I think maybe with the next video we might even lower the car, I'm not sure. Or we're gonna lower it the week before the event.
Before the week before the event.
Because the week before the event we're doing detailing.
Oh,
Yeah.
We're gonna lower the car. I don't wanna drive the car too low because I'm still concerned about my driveway. Because with this splitter now, which is quite thick, I might have some clearance issues actually. But yeah, we're gonna see you guys at the event.
Slam to like but yeah guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah. Cheers guys, peace.